How to place an order. To place an order, begin by logging into your account and using the button in the top right corner. Logging in ensures you receive accurate pricing for your order based on your pricing profile. Step 1. Finding and selecting products. Together we're going to walk through a 700 square foot Nueva 60 marble gray patio with 100 square feet of Nueva 60 small rectangle in onyx. You can find these products using multiple methods. Browse the menu at the top of the page or use the one right on the main page. Here you can use a search box or select a supplier and browse their available products. Once you find your product, click More Details to view additional options. Step 2. Choosing product options and adding them to your cart. Select the size and color of your product. Scroll down and enter the desired quantity. If you enter square footage, the system will automatically round up to the nearest layer. If you know the number of layers or cubes needed, you can enter those instead. Click Add to Cart. Now to add the border. Adjust the color and size of the product. Enter the desired quantity. Click Add to Cart. Step 3. Adding your accessories. For this example, we'll also need accessories, so we'll add some polymeric sand using the Buy Together section. Select 10 bags of G2 Max Slate Gray and click Add to Cart. Next, we'll add edging. Use the search tool in the top right corner to find edging. We're going to choose aluminum here. Add 15 pieces to the cart. If you decide you don't want a product in your cart, you can always remove the item by clicking the small X next to it. In this case, we've changed our mind and gone from Slate Gray G2 Max to Beige G2 Max. Step 4. Reviewing and proceeding to checkout. Once all items are in your cart, click Checkout. Here you will see a summary of your order, including quantity of each item, retail and trade pricing being your specific pricing in red. Scroll down to review product totals, skip deposits, and taxes. You can also see the weight of this order. Step 5. Payment and order details. Choose a payment method. You can charge to your account if you have credit. You can pay with credit card or debit, and you can save it as a quote. Select your order type. For this example, we want to get it delivered. On the left, you will verify your billing information, and you will enter a job reference, or preferably a purchase order number. On the right, you will provide your delivery details. The contact information should be who we would contact to confirm the delivery date and location. Add delivery notes and select a preferred delivery date that will be subject to confirmation once the order comes in on our end. Check the box to confirm that you have read our delivery policy, then click Continue. Step 6. Final review and order confirmation. Before placing your order, review all details, including your delivery notes. Once you confirm and submit your order, you will receive an order number for reference, and an email confirmation will be sent to you. At this time, the order will instantly be in our hands, and we will take care of the rest.